Hello, everyone. I want to explain two words my English students confuse. Tired, tires. Tired, tires. Tired is Tired. I am tired because I worked for 10 hours. The other word is tires. Tires. My car has 4 tires. Again, these two words are different. Tired, tires. Tired, tires. I am tired means I have no energy. My car has 4 tires. Have a great week. Bye-bye.